Coffee burns, morning light. Held me down, feels just right. Laughing at the speed of time. Every mile feels like mine. No gold watch, no perfect plan. Just a beat and a moving van. Life's too short to sit and wait. I roll on luck and twist my fate. I was born to keep rolling on. From dusk till the break of dawn. If the world spins, I spin along. Born to keep rolling on. Hey, hey, let the engine brake. I don't slow down for fear or wrong. I was born to keep rolling on. Yeah.
I don't drive to run away, I drive to hear what silence says. Every mile unlocks a door to things I couldn't face before. Memories right beside my seat. Some are heavy, some are sweet. I let them talk, I let them stay, and I let them fade away. I drive to remember who I am. Not the scars, but how I stand. The road don't lie, it don't pretend. It shows me how to start again. If forgiveness had a sound, it'd be tires on this ground. Rolling steady and not too fast, learning how to leave the past. I drive to remember who I am. Not the man I couldn't be. Headlights hum, my heart unwinds. One more mile, one more sign.
The miles don't ask where I've been. They just roll under my skin. Every line on this cracked asphalt feels like forgiveness. my name. They just keep the fire the same. Midnight hums through the frame. Streetlights whisper my name. No plans drawn, no end in sight. I just ride into the night.
Bought into lines they sold. Follow this, do what you're told. Life don't fit inside a plan. It bends the rules of who I am. There's no map for becoming, no legend, no marked lane. You just move until you're moving right, through doubt, through love, through pain. I missed exits chasing names, lost myself in someone else's game. Funny how when I let go, the road knew where to go. There's no map for becoming, just courage and a turn. Every mile's a lesson paid, every scar's a thing you learn. If I knew the end before I start, I'd never trust my own heart. There's no map for becoming, just the road and what I learned. Engine hums like faith at night, just the road and what I learned.
I've walked 1,000 miles in boots worn thin, tried to outrun the battles burning within. And some days I'm fearless, some days I break, but every sunrise gives more than it takes. I've met pieces of myself in strangers' eyes, heard truth echo loud in silent skies. The roads I follow don't promise a plan, but they shape the soul of who I am. This is the road of who I'll be, through every loss and victory. Life unfolds where I stand on the winding road of who I am. I've carried burdens heavy as steel, but letting go taught me how to heal. The storms I faced didn't wash me away, they carved the man I am today. This is the road of who I'll be, through every loss and victory. Life unfolds where I stand on the winding road of who I This is the road of who I'll be, through every loss